Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us. Today we will be learning to draw a hand holding a stick or a pole. For this we need any standard pencil. I would recommend a sharpened one. I am using a fairly sharpened one, and when you have that white piece of paper, we are ready to go. Let's determine our workspace here. And then, to begin, we will just compose two lines. Please use very light strokes. The vertical line, which, as you might have guessed, might be the post, or the stick. Let's make that into two lines to do this properly. That line will be the hand, and to do this in the easiest and most convenient method, let us just draw an oval or even a circle. Very light strokes, just around that far and that far from the post. As you might have guessed, this will be the palm of the hand. And then let us add some more shapes. Art is mostly comprised of one shape or another. Circles are very convenient. Those, as you might have guessed, are the knuckles. According to your idea, small, bigger, smaller, smallest, try to put them in that way, but line them like so against this line of the post. It doesn't have to be exact because this is practice after all. Let us use another larger oval here, and that somewhat looks like a paw, as you can see this clearly. So our skeleton or our basic outlines have been laid down. Now we will begin by adding some solid lines. Again, take your time. I'm doing this at my pace. You could even outline the fingers like so. And really doesn't matter which part of the hand you approach first to make solid. Now here, everyone's method might vary when it comes to adding detail. I have chosen to do it in this manner. And as I mentioned, the details and how many we add is really up to it's really up to you how you would like to add the details to the hand. And let's make that stick or that post more solid. And that is essentially a male hand holding the post. Another way of doing this is to perhaps use your own hand as a model. I haven't used mine, but or you could Google some images to see how a feminine hand or a bulkier hand or a thinner hand grasps a post. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this has been of some help. Please do not forget to subscribe, and catch you later.